Tune in, Morning Meditation for Beginners. Hello, friends. Today we are diving into the peaceful world of morning meditation. Not only will we be discussing different morning meditation routines, but we'll also offer some handy tips on how to get started and improve your practice. So, let's get on the path to mindfulness. Morning meditation is a routine where you spend some time meditating at the start of your day. This practice can help you start your day with a clear mind, full of positive energy and focus. You can meditate for just a few minutes or a longer period, depending on what suits your lifestyle. Wondering why you should add meditation to your morning routine? Well, morning meditation can help you set your intention for the day, reduce stress, and improve your mental clarity. Plus, it's a peaceful way to wake up and take a moment for yourself before the hustle and bustle of the day begins. Starting your meditation journey can be a bit daunting, but don't worry. Here are some basic techniques. Breathing meditation. This involves focusing on your breath as it goes in and out. Mindfulness meditation. Here, you pay attention to your thoughts without judging them. Body scan meditation. In this technique, you focus on different parts of your body, noticing any sensations or tension. Remember, there is no right or wrong way to meditate. It's all about finding what works best for you. As you explore meditation, you might come across tips and tricks from others. Likewise, you may find yourself offering advice to fellow beginners. Here are some phrases you can use. You might find it helpful to set a regular time for meditation. What techniques have you tried? How do you usually begin your meditation? I've found using a meditation app really helps me focus. Don't worry if you get distracted, it's all part of the learning process. Open conversation and shared experiences can make the learning process much more enjoyable. Thank you for joining us today to explore morning meditation. Remember, meditation is a personal journey, and what works for one person might not work for another. It's all about finding what brings you peace and helps you start your day on a positive note. Keep exploring, and we hope this video has been helpful on your meditation journey. See you next time.